You will be amazed by this 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chevrolet Suburban, the full-size SUV with the utility of a truck and the comfort and amenities of the ultimate family cruising vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, four-wheel drive, lane keeping assist. Make the most of the growing years. Get into the Suburban and live large.